This is example of stable colloid where the particles are evenly dispersed in the dispersion medium. For the unstable colloid, the particles tend to form aggregation or sedimentation. Colloidal dispersion is a heterogeneous system which is made up of dispersion phase and dispersion medium. In colloidal dispersion, one substance is dispersed as very fine particles in another substance called dispersion medium. For example, dust, the solid particles are dispersed in gas as dispersion medium. A sol is a colloidal system whose dispersion medium is a liquid or gas. When the dispersion medium is a gas, the sol is called an aerosol. For example, fog is an aerosol with liquid particles. Smoke is an aerosol with liquid or solid particles. A sol that consists of a liquid dispersed in a liquid is an emulsion. A sol that consists of solid particles suspended in a liquid is a colloidal suspension. It can be divided into lyophobic sol and lyophilic sol, or we can call as lyophobic colloid and lyophilic colloid. It's the same. Lyophilic sol is a sol that likes the solvent by having intermolecular attraction between the dispersed phase and dispersion medium, which is solvent. So it is thermodynamically stable colloidal dispersion due to strong attractive forces between the particles and the dispersion medium, such as formation of hydrogen bonding. So the lyophilic sol is not easily coagulated. Different with lyophobic sol. So it is the sol that fears the solvent and no intermolecular interaction between the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium. It is thermodynamically unstable compared to separated states. The dispersion can be formed with mechanical energy input such as mixer, colloid mill, and ultrasound generator. The stability of lyophobic sol due to the charged particle and the light charge repel each other and coagulation can be avoided. The table shows the difference between lyophobic and lyophilic sol. Lyophilic sol, as we know, it is solvent loving, and lyophobic is solvent hating. There will be strong interaction between dispersed phase and dispersed medium in lyophobic sol, and no interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium in lyophobic sol. The lyophilic sol has high viscosity and easily set to gel. It has little or no charge on particles. Compared to lyophobic sol, the viscosity is no different from the pure liquid and it do not set to gel. The particles can carry positive or negative charge. In lyophobic sol, the particles migrate to either anode, cathode, or not at all. Compared to lyophobic sol, the particles migrate to either anode or cathode. Lastly, lyophilic sol, it precipitates by high concentration of electrolyte. Compared to lyophobic sol, it precipitates by low concentration of electrolyte.